So let's assemble it real quick. First, we're gonna use these two parts right here. So we're gonna use 2 bolts and 2 nuts. All right, I think this is an extra one that the set comes with. And then we're gonna use our Allen key and our wrench key. All right, so the curb, make sure it goes away from the bottom, the cutter or the blade, if you wanna call it. Make sure the nuts are on the outside. So we're going from the inside out. So we're gonna put our first one right here. Okay, and then we're gonna put the other one just to avoid the moving of the blade with just one. There you go. Now the easiest way to do this is to hold the nut and tie the bolt. Okay guys, so this is how it will look. Okay, make sure they're pretty tight. Okay, as tight as you can. And then we can screw these over here. The top part with the bottom part. There it goes.
You also see here, so last we just did some regular grass. Here you see that these are more of your dandelions and weed fashioned. Again, just one arm, just swinging through. It easily removes all of this. With just an easy swing, I'm not even trying, I'm just putting it back and forth. As you can see, it's cleaning all these up. Off of here, move over here to this right here. That's actually a more coarse type of weed, and even some taller grasses through here, but still, whoops, just come through, easily cuts this down. And I'm only using one arm. Retains its shape, sharp enough to cut through anything. It'd be really nice if you've got a small area where you don't want to buy a lawnmower or an automated whip. All right, here we have one other type of grass as well. This is a longer, thinner grass that we can do, mixed with some weeds. Again, just coming straight through these. And as you can see, it's just coming up quite easily